What is good, love? So I am back with another braided wig. So if you are interested in what unit I am reviewing for this video, stay tuned. If I let you
cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm dead. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me up when you make it. Try to come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Those on this side, those over on this side. Hey. About all your insecurities for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. And like guns with the aching and getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah.
Definitely giving Destiny Child, period. Wig came from Gorgius Hair. I've had 2 bang wigs by them, so this is my first time trying their braided unit collection. This wig is gorgeous. It's definitely giving scalp. This wig comes with 3 combs, and of course you have like your elastic band inside the cap construction. And I think this is an all synthetic unit. The braids are gorgeous. The jewels in the unit came with it. This is my favorite part out of the whole thing. I so love this. I'm so in love with this little designing right here. Totally giving beach girl. So the wig did not take no time to get to me. I would say the wig probably came within 3 days, so very fast shipping. I like. This unit probably stops to like probably a little bit on the side of my waist. So I would say this wig is probably about maybe 20 inches, maybe 22. She has a lot of braids. Now, this wig in particular is not a full lace. It's just lace all the way up here, but the back is pretty full. You can't see no tracks or nothing like that. Like, I think they did an amazing job with this unit though. So this is the back and how long she is. So she stops to like the top part of my butt. She's not too long, but she's long enough. Totally love the braids. I think the braids are super neat, so in order, and it was really easy to put on, as you can see in the video. This wig didn't take me no longer than 20 minutes to put on. Just cut that lace and just do the baby hair. Really, I'm not really a fan of Medusa type baby hairs, but I know how some of the girlies like the extra in the baby hair, so I decided to kind of switch up the style a little bit. And I actually love the baby hair with this unit because it's just going with the hairstyle, of course. So I didn't want to cut too much baby hair off, but this is the side, okay? And this is the other side. Yeah, I left some baby hairs for y'all so y'all can see what's going on. But if you don't like all the baby hairs, you can definitely cut it out or just pluck them out, however you want to do it. One thing that I do love about this unit, it is glueless, so you really don't have to glue the unit down. I think this wig feels very snug. And the thing that I love about the elastic band in the unit, you can customize it, fit it to your head. So if you have like a bigger head or if a smaller head, you can just adjust the elastic band in the wig cap. That way it can feel really snug to your head. I really did not glue this unit down. I just took some of my adhesive spray and then I just tied it down real good and just cut the lace off. So she is on, okay? She is feeling really snug, all right? Like, literally, she ain't going nowhere. So she is on there, and I got plenty of compliments on her yesterday when I went out to eat with my boyfriend and his grandmother, and a lot of people was feeling the braids. I love it. This is such a cute wig. It's really nice for the summer, especially if you suffer from hair loss and you're just looking for a nice style, like some braided units without having to sit in the chair for hours. I really recommend this. I really do. This is such a pretty wig, y'all. I wasn't really expecting this wig to look this good. I mean, it came as is. I did not have to do anything to this unit but just do my baby hairs and just cut the lace. So he is really easy to put on. She comes with all of the jewels and the designing in the wig, and I think they did an amazing job. I give this wig like 11 out of 10. This is such a pretty wig. It's not really much that I can say. She's out the way. She's braided. She's pretty. She already has her designs. You just don't have to do much but just like spray her down and just do your baby hairs. Really super fast, convenient, easy. And I'm gonna be doing more braided wigs like this because, yeah, I know a lot of us sisters is tired of sitting in the chairs for a while, or our arms be tired from just doing our own braids. And sometimes we just need a little break. If you just want to achieve that quick look, this is definitely the go-to. But yeah, let me know what y'all guys think about this unit in the comment section. I really want to hear y'all reviews. And until next time, I will see you babes later. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. It is completely free. And until next time, I will see you babes later.